Welcome back to 74 Customs. Today I'm doing a vlog, which is a little out of the usual, and I know I haven't posted for a long time, but I think you guys are really gonna like what we have in store. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. I think that my YouTube channel is gonna be more of the entertainment side of the company now, and if you're interested in modifying cars, make sure you check out my website, 74customs.com. Without further ado, let's get into it.
Ghost.
That's right, we found a Datsun 510 out in this forested area behind our farm. And the easiest way to get this out is gonna be by taking down this fence. So we'll show you us doing that right now. And should be good. We'll show you when it's out and you can get a closer look at the damage. Well, we've gotten the fence down now so we can get the Datsun out. I guess we'll see how that goes. Well, we've got the car back now. I kind of opened up so it can air out. The one back wheel is kind of seized. It's got a little bit of oil in through the spark plugs. I'm pretty sure the engine's not moving super well either. I don't think it's gonna turn just by hand, so we'll do that. Take the wheel off, see how that goes, and hopefully we can push it in before that hits, because it's not great. So yeah, we got it out now. So we brought the Datsun back to the farmyard so we can kind of wash it off real briefly. We've disinfected the inside, but we're still gonna have to kind of pull it apart because of the mouse nests and whatnot. But the wheel's free. We put oil in the cylinders so it'll spin, and now we'll just clean up the outside real quick. We've got the Datsun all cleaned now. I'm gonna throw some antifreeze in it, check if it has any oil, maybe top that up. And then we're gonna see if we can give it a start while he cleans the inside. And then I'll join him with that. All right, I think we're ready to try starting it up now. Ready, Caleb? All right, give her a shot. Oh my gosh, sorry. Give it a shot. Nothing? Nothing? Oh, it's the next day. We've got the Datsun in the garage. I don't know if you could see from yesterday, but the car was not running. We're assuming that it's partially to do with the starter and its solenoid. That should be a pretty simple fix, and then it should be able to get running by the next time we're out here. We're just gonna take the seats out now and clean it up a little bit more, and that'll be all for this trip with the Datsun. Well, that concludes the Datsun project for today. We've gutted the interior completely now, minus a couple little things. All the flooring's gone, so we can deal with rust and whatnot next time. And we'll get some new wheels, we'll get the starter fixed, we'll get the carb fixed, We'll order a couple little things like spark plugs, but should be good to go. What do you think, Caleb?
It's pretty good.
It is pretty good. Well, I guess we'll see you next time.